Licensure examination for teachers.
27. The fire that broke out in our town last night believed to have been caused by loose electrical wiring. Again, loose electrical wiring. 28. This theater organization initiated the use of our mother tongue in the plays that is produced. B. Philippine Educational Theater Association. Sino nga ulit ang founder dito? Si Cecil Alvarez. Again, Philippine Educational Theater Association. 29. Nothing happens in this world by chance. It is all of a grand design. The author speaks of one's destiny. Number 30. If you want the moon, I will get it for you. Is an example of hyperbole. Again, hyperbole. 31. Sa panitikang Pilipino, aling nobela ang unang isinulat sa wikang Ingles? C. A Child of Sorrow. Again, unang sinulat sa wikang Ingles? A Child of Sorrow. 32. Ito ay disenyong pananaliksik na nagsisiyasat sa pamamagitan ng talatanungan at pakikipanayam. D. Sorbet. Again, sorbet. 33. Ang tinanggap niyang tulong ay tila habog sa uhaw na tadutok ng bulaklak. Ano ang katumbas ng kahulugan nito? Biyaya